Hello, I'm excited to inform you that we are starting off with a crash batch for CAT 2020. A lot of students only recently realized that they should be attempting the CAT, and a few students who started their preparation long back could not maintain the steady schedule and have done a very small fraction of the syllabus. Both these set of students could benefit a lot from the crash batch. The crash batch is going to cover each and every topic important for CAT across all the three section areas. You are given a daily list of concept videos that you need to study, and every night, all 7 days of the week, there would be a live class where faculty will share insights on those same topics that you have studied through the day. Right? The schedule is such that you can start taking your mocks right from September beginning, and you can view the entire schedule on a Google Calendar. This is the last offering for CAT 20, and so I hope you make the best use of it. Classes begin from coming Monday, 27th of July. Thank you.